This guy was selling these vintage posters. They look so beautiful. And basically, they're just ads from old magazines that are sliced out, put on a black piece of cardboard paper. I figured this can't be too hard to DIY. I wanted to make a video kind of sharing this idea with you and also just having a good time trying to make them. So this little poster project could work with really any vintage magazine. The advertisements are so cool. This is a Life magazine from May 14th, 1965. Oh yeah, I have my artist girlfriend here helping me.
I'm also a collage artist, so I deal with a lot of vintage posters all the time. I recommend when you guys are handling your posters to never just hold them like you would a normal People magazine or Cosmopolitan magazine. Like, you always want to make sure that your magazine's laying down flat on a table and you're not picking it up with one hand and moving it over, because the seams get really sensitive, and the more pressure that you have on the paper, the more likely it is going to tear.
So the main page that I thought would be really cool on the wall is this page of Wesleyan University, my college campus in the 1960s, of people skateboarding on campus. How cool and special is that going to feel to be up on my wall? So we're going to turn this one into a poster, as well as some other cool advertisements in this magazine.
An X-Acto knife, which is a blade, a ruler or straight edge at home, a clean surface to work on. We also have black paper and also some kind of acid-free double-sided tape. And we bought some cheap frames from IKEA.
And you can find these magazines at any flea market or vintage store. They're all over the place.
Or eBay. Just saying. Okay, so when you cut, you want to have your feet like flat on the ground. Oh, and then our friend Eric, he always taught me to like the blade is like your samurai sword. And when you cut, it's very like meditative. Like, you breathe in and then when you breathe out, you will have one single cut. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, not like that. Wait, I have a problem. There's a problem. Okay. Eric, please do not watch the rest of this video.
I want to do one too.
Okay.
All right, we got two perfect backgrounds. These will go in the poster frame. Now we're going to slice out our magazine pages.
High five.
Woo!
Cool.
Hell yeah. Looks great. That's a sick one.
So fun.
Someone would really like, that would be a great, like, someone who loves biking, you frame this and give it to them as a gift. So vintage. Oh, this one's nice. Holy shit. This would be a great gift for anyone who likes space.
Oh my god, look how sick that is. Holy shnikers.
Let's practice on this moon one.
When you're cutting something that's like in the middle of pages, you want to make sure you don't want to cut too deep by accident. So you can use the back of this.
Smart.
Putting it under. Flip it over, show them the other side too. Yo.
Oh, I gotta do this one. Noah is now fixing my error because I cut this one crooked. Another one.
Whoa.
Yeah. You want to do this one?
Like this one? We could be selling this to
No cap. All fact, no cap.
Shit.
So I bought 5 of these frames for like $50, but we ended up cutting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pages from the magazine, so we got a little carried away. But they look so sick. And basically we're just eyeballing it in the center, right?
Yeah.
I really think that's good.
Okay.
show them first?
Okay.
I do with my glasses on.
It's beautiful.
Oh, no way, we just made that.
It's beautiful.
That was pretty easy, to be honest.
It was pretty easy.
That one looks really good. Holy shit.
You killed it.
Holy shit.
Oh my gosh, it looks incredible with the color. Oh! Wow.
Wow.
It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
It's a nice one.
It looks so fun.
Some priestly gentlemen.
Oh, whoa. This one.
Which one is that?
Ooh.
Damn.
This one.
So that was a wicked fun project. I actually had more fun making these than I expected. As you saw, not that many materials, pretty cheap, pretty easy, pretty fun. And the best part about this is, like, I have these beautiful frames that I have this emotional attachment to, and I also when I put these on the wall, I'm gonna feel even more attached to them because I created them, you know? Thanks to Noah, your artist instincts really came in handy here. The X-Acto knife really, I was gonna use scissors, but I will say I think the X-Acto knife helped a lot.
No problem.
All the supplies and a rough outline of how to create this thing is right in the description, so it's going to be super easy for you. And you should follow us both on all of our social media platforms.